Hello dear listeners, today I will show you how to create a pie chart and bar chart of your dataset in the Excel. So first of all we have to create the frequency distribution of our dataset. So first of all I just create the dummy variable from my categorical data, that is gender, and I just coded this data as 0 and 1, which is called dummy variable. How to create dummy variable, I just made a video. You can see my previous video to solve this problem. So now let's move to the point. First of all we have to find out the frequency. For finding the frequency we have to use countif function. So we just click on countif functions. So here is a range. So for range, this is our range. We just select this, and there's a criteria. As we want to find the male, so we determine before that male equals to 1. You can see this, then 1. Okay, enter. So here is total 8 male. That means in this in this rows, in these columns, here is 8 ones, and we can easily calculate this number. And same as for the female, so we use countif function. Okay, so then same as before, then comma, and male female equals to, we just determine before 0, then enter. So here is total the number of females. We just calculate the total. So just easily select the F2 plus F3 and enter. So now we move to the percentage. That is another easy task. We just divide by male. We just divide by male the total number. So equal function, then male, and divided by 15, that is total. Just easy, 53%. And then another one is 7 divided by 15. Okay, then here is the total, that is equals. We can use another function for adding the two numbers, that is sum function. You can also use this function, that is just simply select these two rows and enter. Okay, fine. We just find out the frequency and percentage of our dataset. Now let's move to the our main concern, that is pie chart and bar chart. So we just select these two rows because we find out these two data, that is male and female. We want to show that how is the percentage in pie chart of male and female. So here is the pie chart. We just click on this, and there is no percentage, so we just use, no problem about that, we just use quick layout, and that is simply show the percentage. Okay, fine. Now let's move to the another one, that is bar chart. We just select our previous data, so insert the bar chart. Okay, so sorry, we can use this function. Okay, this is our bar chart. We just see that there is a male equals to 8. We just male equals to 8, and our data also shows that male equals to 8 and female equals to 7. Okay, that's all right, and that's easy. Thanks for watching.